talk to me like that.
Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
That's a good boy.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Walk like an angel, talk like an angel, but I got wise. You're the devil. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of Cadillac, Cadillac, pop that trunk.
I love you. What? What do you think? What?
She's saying لا 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 خلاص. Understand. لا لا. Chico. Chico, step up. Step up, Chico. Step up. That is how you do. Just ow.
I want to hear Cosmo do water noise.
Good girl. How about the water drip noise? Oh, Mommy can't do that one. Only Daddy can do that one. Yeah, you do the water drip noise. I can't do it. See, Mommy can't do it. Mommy's broken. Yeah, that's it. You're so smart. Yeah, you're so smart.
The sun's shining up.
Yeah, the sun is shining. Isn't it pretty outside? Do you think the birdies are outside? Okay. Mommy's got to go bye-bye.
Love you.
I love you too, girl.
Cosmos 7.
You are 7 years old. That's right.
I pretend I'm not faced, only here to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on.
Go for a shot. Go
Here, Fritz, say chicken. Say thank you. What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Good bird. Say chicken. Say chicken. Goof. You're a goof. 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 Say chicken. What's a chicken do? Good bird. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Fritz, whistle. Whistle. Bark. Bark. Fart. Burp. Telephone. Good bird. You my buddy? You my buddy?
Buddy boy.
You my buddy?
Buddy boy.
Good bird. Where you from?
Okay.
Where you from? What's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
What's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Who let the dogs out?
Woof.
Woof. Woof.
Woof.
Dead bird.
Fritz, come on. You gonna be a dead bird? Bang.
Hey, Cuphead. Are you okay? You're wet. You got a bath. You got bath. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
And I never seen everybody do the things you did before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'm going to do it on a day. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, ooh, ooh, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Hey!
Move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done,
I bought arms for SP.
and it went like
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy.
Good girl. Very smart.
Hey guys, as many of you know, I own little baby birds, and today I'm going to introduce you to both of them. If any of you are wondering, they're both cockatiels. First, I would like to introduce you to Pepsi. He is the newest member of flock, and he's only 7 weeks old, but he is super energetic and so hyperactive. And if you have been following me for a long time, you have already met Poopsie. He is 8 months old and he loves to eat my eyelashes, as you can see. So if you were wondering how many birds I have, I only have 2, and they are the most adorable little things you will ever meet.
Chubby Charlie, what's your name? What's your name?
Oh.
What's your name? Charlie. And do we call you Chubby Charlie? What? What do we call you?
Baby.
What do we? Yeah. What do we call you? What? Chubby. Yep. And put it together. Say Chubby Charlie. Say
Chub Chub.
Chub Chub. Say right. Chubby Charlie. You say it. You say it. You don't like her talking? Tell her to. Right. Good boy. Chubby Charlie. Put it Chubby Charlie.
Good baby.
Hi. Hi, Twinkie. Hi.
A dish like we have over here.
His wings are open. Look at him. Her. It's not her. Instagram. Alright, baby Mochi. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world, baby Mochi. So, let me give him her first time. Yeah. Can't be too cold, so it'll give them digestive issues. Can't be too hot, give them crop burn. Here you go, baby. Another little lick. Another lick a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh,
Yeah, you're going to see it.
You want some food? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah, you're a hungry boy. I don't have any. I don't have any.
You saw that in a split second. I turned around. Yoshi came up running with his beak open. That's a sign of aggression. He's peanut butter and jealous, Mochi. He's peanut butter and jealous. Yeah.
Hey. Hi, guys.